In today's fast-moving world, there is importance of time, but for parking of car and vehicle is also taking much time. So to reduce the time, in recent time, the concept of cities have been getting more popularity in the world. Thanks to evolution of Internet of Things, the idea of smart city now seem to be achievable by the constant effort of making the thing more easy and to connect it with intelligent and more efficient work. Many work can be done in this field. Many work in this. We are presenting an IoT based smart parking system where uh, where we are developing an small scale small scale project on how to reduce the time and efficiency and to increase efficiency of the parking system in today's world. The component and further information will given by Vivek Patel.
So the components here used, we have used our Arduino Uno board, and the resistors which we have used are of 1 kilo ohm, and the LED which comprise of three colors: the blue color, red color, and the green color. And we have used the main component as ultrasonic distance meter. So these all components are as costly. These all components are very cheap and can be easily developed. So the further simulation will be operated by Dhairya.
When the object is quite far from the wall, which has the sensor implanted in it, the LED light will turn green. As the object moves closer to the wall, the LED light will turn blue. And when the object is quite near to the wall, the LED light will turn red. So according to the changes in LED light's color, we can judge whether we are too far away from the wall or too near to the wall. This would help to avoid accidents. The further code will be explained by Shubham.
So the code here describes the way the color of the LED changes from green, blue to red, which indicates the different level of coding and implementation of the code onto the Arduino board, because the Arduino board is comprised of coding software and hardware both together, and it stimulates to work for the to gain the physical contact from the world and to implement it and to produce an output which we can see in the form of green, blue and red color. Further, this if we want to modify this circuit, we can also do by changing the code and implementation, and by increasing certain sensors and chips. It is possible, and it's the future scope of parking and other vehicle related things in the future world.